Hello, everyone. In this video, we will show you how to retrieve records from Salesforce and write them to Dropbox. Dropbox is a file hosting service, often referred to as a cloud storage service. While many alternatives exist, such as Microsoft OneDrive, SharePoint, and Google Drive, etc., Dropbox remains one of the most popular platforms. The adapter described in this process is used to create CSV, XML, JSON, binary, and CSV Fixed Length files inside a designated Dropbox folder. Dropbox configuration. Configuring Dropbox to use the adapter is required. Developers can access the necessary documentation displayed on the screen or retrieve the link directly from the video description. In this video, we'll learn how to use the SKYVVA Dropbox Adapter to export data from Salesforce directly into Dropbox. As shown in the diagram, Salesforce acts as the data source, containing business information such as accounts, contacts, opportunities, and documents. The SKYVVA Dropbox Adapter sits between Salesforce and Dropbox, providing a secure and automated connection. Its role is to retrieve data from Salesforce, process it, and deliver it to your designated Dropbox folders for cloud-based storage and management. We can complete the export workflow. First, a user selects and exports data from Salesforce. The data is then passed to the SKYVVA Dropbox Adapter, which generates files in the required format. The adapter supports multiple file types, including CSV, XML, JSON, binary, and CSV Fixed Length formats. Once the files are generated, they are automatically uploaded into the configured Dropbox folders, such as exports, reports, or integration files. This approach provides a simple and efficient way to automate file generation and cloud storage. By combining Salesforce, SKYVVA, and Dropbox, organizations can securely manage their exported data while reducing manual effort and improving operational efficiency. Now, let's start the configuration. Navigate to the interface details. In the interface, the source name contains account object. Link it with a message type and set the outbound direction. Once you have configured these settings, you need to map the fields to your requirements. So, navigate to Create Adapter, then click on the Adapter tab since we have already created the Dropbox Adapter. Now, we will show you the adapter configuration. As you can see on the adapter, we have entered a name, selected the Dropbox type, and direction, which has inbound and outbound. In this case, we show you how to write a file to Dropbox, so we select the outbound direction. Set the active status. On the property adapter, authentication type using OAuth 2.0. OAuth 2.0 flow. You can use the username password credential, authorization code, client credential, or refresh token. We are using the refresh token. Input the OAuth 2.0 client ID, client secret, refresh token, and the code you can get from the Dropbox console. If you're not clear how to get it, you can check the Dropbox document. For the API URL prefix and token endpoint URL, we automatically input them for you, so you need to use them to create a remote site on Salesforce. File type. We support CSV, XML, JSON, binary, and CSV Fixed Length. Part 1. Export the CSV file to Dropbox. Now, select the CSV file type. For the CSV type, you have to set the separator and check has file header or has quotes based on your file. Input file name while exporting records. And the input path folder for storing the file exported. File handling mode. Select either New or Override. New creates a fresh file during the callout execution, while Override replaces the existing file with the new data. After configuring the property, click Save the Adapter. After creating the adapter, navigate to the interface and link the adapter to the interface. Before processing, go to view the file on the Dropbox first. Here are the folder's record callout. It doesn't have any files in this folder. Now go to the integration page, click on the Interface tab, and here is the interface that has a link with the Dropbox Adapter. So, tick the interface and click Interface Processing to execute the callout for the records. Choose option 2 and click Send. With the outbound execution with the Dropbox Adapter, you can execute callouts via the manual button, scheduler, invoke callout, etc. After processing is completed, go to Verify Message Monitoring. Click on the Message Monitoring tab and click Apply Filter. You will observe an API message and the business message. Then click on the message detail. On the message detail page, you can check the message status. The business message includes comments and request data, where you can view the specific data values. Click on Raw Log Payload at the root message level to view the CSV payload that was sent to Dropbox. Here is the CSV payload. Navigate to the Dropbox folder to see the file sent from Salesforce. Click on the CSV file to view the payload. Here are the records written to the CSV file and stored in Dropbox. Part 2. Export the XML file to Dropbox. Currently, we are demonstrating how to write an XML file using the existing integration and interface. To switch formats, navigate to the adapter, edit the settings, and change the file type to XML. Regarding the XML structure, if the mapping does not already include a root node, you must manually add one to ensure the file is well formed. While a root tag is not strictly required when sending a single record per API request, it becomes mandatory when processing multiple records. Since the transfer package size on this interface is configured for bulk records, adding a root tag is necessary to maintain valid XML syntax for the generated file. After changing, click Save the Adapter. Now, navigate to Interface and click Interface Processing to execute the callout of the records. Choose option 2 and click Send. After processing is completed, go to Verify Message Monitoring. You will observe an API message with the comment and the business message. Then click on the message detail. On the message detail page, you can check the message status and the business message. Click on Raw Log Payload at the root message level to view the XML payload that was sent to Dropbox. Here are the XML payloads. Navigate to the Dropbox folder to see the file sent from Salesforce. Here is the XML file. Click on the file to view the payload. Part 3. Export the JSON file to Dropbox. Currently, we are demonstrating how to write a JSON file using the existing integration and interface. Navigate to the adapter, edit the settings, and change the file type to JSON. Input the file name and the input folder. After changing, click Save the Adapter. Now, Go to Processing the Interface and click Interface Processing to execute the callout of the records and click Send. After processing is completed, go to Verify Message Monitoring. You will observe an API message and the business message. Then click on the message detail. On the message detail page, you can check the message status and the business message. Click on Raw Log Payload at the root message level to view the JSON payload that was sent to Dropbox. Here are the JSON payloads that have been sent. Navigate to the Dropbox folder to see the JSON file sent from Salesforce. Click on the file to view the payload. Part 4. Export the binary file format to Dropbox. Currently, in this step, we are transferring binary data to Dropbox. This involves retrieving the binary file from the Salesforce Content Version object and uploading it directly to the Dropbox folder. Navigate to the Interfaces tab. We have created a new interface using the Content Version object. Click on the interface name to view the details. In the interface settings, the source name is set to Content Version. Link it to the correct message type and set the direction to outbound. Once these settings are configured, click Open Mapping. In the Mapping tool, you will need to map specific fields. This interface allows you to drag and drop your desired fields into place. For the Content Version object, the required fields are title and version data, base 64. Ensure both are correctly mapped. Once the mapping is complete, click Save the Mapping. Navigate to the adapter. Edit the settings and change the file type to binary. After changing, click Save the Adapter. Now, navigate to the interface and set the filter query to fetch the correct records. Click Interface Processing and then click Send to execute the callout. After processing is completed, go to Verify Message Monitoring. You will observe an API message and the business message of the content version. Then click on the message detail. On the message detail page, you can check the message status, and the business message includes comments and request data where you can view the specific data values. Navigate to the Dropbox folder to see the binary file sent from Salesforce. Here are the JPG and PDF files that were sent using the binary format from the adapter. Click on the file to view it. Part 5. Export the CSV Fixed Length format to Dropbox. In this step, we are transferring CSV Fixed Length data to Dropbox. The fixed length, often called fixed width, format is a data structure where each field has a specific, predefined number of characters or a set width, rather than being separated by delimiters like commas or semicolons. Navigate to the Interfaces tab. We have created a new interface using the account object. Click on the interface to view the details. In the interface settings, the source name is set to account. Link it to the correct message type and set the direction to outbound. For the CSV Fixed Length message type, you must define the length for each individual field. We are using the Salesforce inspector to filter for viewing the length of each field. Here are the fields and length for the account MT message type. Here are the fields and length for the contact MT message type. Here are the fields and length for the case MT message type. Once these settings have been configured on the message type, click Open Mapping. In the Mapping tool, you will need to map specific fields. This interface allows you to drag and drop your desired fields into place. Once the mapping is complete, click Save. Navigate to the adapter. Edit the settings and change the file type to CSV Fixed Length. After changing, click Save the adapter. Now, navigate to the interface and click Interface Processing to execute the callout of the records. Choose option 2, then click Send. After processing is completed, go to Verify Message Monitoring. Here is the message monitoring. You will observe an API message and the business message. Then click on the message detail. On the message detail page, you can check the message status and the business message. Click on Raw Log Payload at the root message level to view the CSV Fixed Length payload that was sent to Dropbox. This is the CSV Fixed Length format. We have defined the field lengths in the message type. If a data value exceeds the specified length, it will be truncated to fit the defined limit. Navigate to the Dropbox folder to see the file sent from Salesforce. Click on the file to view the payload. To summarize, in this video we've demonstrated how to use the SKYVVA Dropbox Adapter to export Salesforce data directly to Dropbox. We started by retrieving data from Salesforce and automatically generating files in multiple formats, including CSV, XML, JSON, binary files such as images, and CSV Fixed Length. Next, we explored how post-processing behaviors can be applied after the export, and how the integration can be triggered either manually or through scheduled intervals, providing flexibility for different business requirements. Finally, we verified that the generated files were successfully stored in the designated Dropbox folders, confirming that the export process completed correctly. With the SKYVVA Dropbox Adapter, you can automate secure file generation and cloud storage, making Salesforce data exports more efficient, reliable, and easier to manage. As we've seen, the SKYVVA Outbound Processing Interface offers multiple ways to trigger outbound integrations, giving you the flexibility to choose the approach that best fits your business requirements. You can start processing manually, schedule it to run automatically at defined intervals, invoke it from a Salesforce flow, trigger it through a custom UI button, execute it using anonymous Apex from the developer console, or call it directly from any Apex class or trigger. This flexibility allows you to reuse the same outbound interface across different automation scenarios while keeping your integration scalable, maintainable, and easy to extend. We hope this overview has given you a clear understanding of the available invocation options in SKYVVA. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.